Hey guys, morning. First thing you do on a day like today where you got 2 foot of snow outside, in my experience, I gotta go start the generator that's warming up the tractor. Because that tractor needs to warm up for 2 to 3 hours. I should have went out at like 6 a.m. and done it probably. Come back up here and get the wind generator hooked up too. Oh, I don't know if it'll even charge those batteries because it's so cold. Batteries might be too cold to charge.
I am gonna go outside, let the puppies out. I'm gonna get my bird feeders up too because I'm gonna get some beautiful footage of the birds enjoying bird food with the beautiful snow. Let's get these pups ready to go outside and see how deep it is. Who's excited? Ah! All right, it's still snowing outside too, guys. And the weather app said we can get anywhere from 5 to 14 more additional inches. And where we're at, we always get the high side. So there's gonna be so much snow. It's great. So we had a busy day of snow plowing and keeping the road clear so we can continue to get in and out of here because we are just gonna be hammered with snow. So let's go outside. Sure is beautiful. Gotta clean up the solar panels. Even though it's not sunny, just to get any kind of sun we can.
Alright guys, I've been kind of messing around with the wind turbine or wind generator, trying to get the setup. I'm getting like an instant error as soon as I plug the battery in, so I don't know. It says this can run 12 or 24 volt. So I got on 24 volt battery, keeps going into over surge or over voltage, I guess. So I got it running. I don't know if that's bad for it to run. It started making this noise now too. Sounds like a small motor running. I don't know if that's because it's under load now. But the batteries are not even close to being full. And they're at 26 volts. And this thing just keeps going into error. So I don't know. I don't have time to mess around with this. I got to do other stuff. So Jen and I are going to head down to camp, try to get the tractor started so I can blow snow for a while. Brushed this off yesterday. I brushed this all off last night. Another 10 inches of snow on it. next year we'll build a shelter for the tractor. They will not have to deal with this quite so much. I can leave the generator, everything in a nice dry space.
What? Guys, did you hear that? Guys, I have been telling him for 2 years now.
Yeah, well,
And
what do
you
you
guys
want? You
have
want your
too.
mini cabin, or do you want the tractor to be under a shelter?
So maybe next year, next summer. Maybe it'll be like this big massive one that we can have like the boat under and stuff too. So everything down here is protected. We'll see.
It snowed this much overnight.
What is that, like a foot?
It's at least 10 inches. I brushed the seat off last night, the seat cushion last night, and it had a foot on it. So we got close to 2 foot. Oh, we need to get this road cleared.
It is Saturday, guys. Welcome to living in the snow belt.
You can't keep up with the amount of snow. Should have done it last night when there was just a foot. I mean, it'll be fine. It's gonna take 2 or 3 trips rather than one, you know.
Yeah.
It's not gonna be fine. It's gonna be a pain in the butt, but. All right.
I can't like run, can it? When your tractor's.
Huh?
I can't like start running, right? Okay.
Anything can happen, but...
All right, guys, so Jay is down there by camp working on the tractor. So I'm gonna work on my surprise I have for Jay. Jay loves having recliners. I wanted him to have a new recliner. I'm gonna clean up the living room, get that set up for him as a surprise. All right, guys, so here I have the Power XL6 recliner by FlexiSpot. It's super exciting. It's got a lot of awesome modes. It's gonna be great for Jay to sit in tonight after he's been working outside all day. I'm so excited to get this all set up for him. Oh, look at that, guys. I did it. I'm so excited. I'm so proud of myself. Got like massage mode on it. Oh yeah. This is gonna be so nice for Jay after like a nice long day of work.
What you got over there?
Look what I got for you.
That's for me?
Fancy chair.
Is it
Massages.
Massages too?
It reclines.
Oh, we're not going to get anything done around here anymore. I guess I know where I'm sitting for the next 3 or 4 months until hibernation is over, eh? Look at that. So guys, the FlexiSpot XL6 recliner has dual motors and has independent control of the backrest and footrest. And it has a weight capacity of 400 pounds for the medium model, and the tall model is 440 pounds. This surpasses other lift chairs on the market. If you have an elder at home or a person with limited mobility, this recliner is perfect for you. It has multiple massage functions and multiple heating functions. Here's another spot where FlexiSpot rises above the rest. They're super affordable. Other lift chairs on the market have a price point of around $2,000. The FlexiSpot is around $500. So if you have pain or aches or limited mobility, this chair can make you feel better and help you deal with those. It also has a US charging port in a very convenient location. FlexiSpot includes a complimentary pillow as well. It has convenient side pouches on both sides of the chair.
How do you like your chair, young man?
I don't like it. I love it. Very nice. It's also easy to assemble and hook up. So the FlexiSpot recliner also comes with a manually adjustable headrest for ultimate comfort. FlexiSpot's material is easy to clean and care for.
Also be sure to use our discount code and you can save $50 on one chair or $100 on two.
So we'd like to thank FlexiSpot for sponsoring today's video. If you'd like to get a FlexiSpot recliner of your own, check out the links in the description box below in the first pinned comment. You'll get the best deal there. So check it out. All right, Jen just went and put some clothes on because we were playing naked puzzle playing. You guys played strip poker.
Why are you not naked then?
Because I'm better at puzzles than you.
Uh-huh.
What do we do when we're off grid and you don't have TV to watch all day long and all night long?
We got a puzzle. I bought this puzzle at Menards for like $7, so.
I hope that looks like 1,000 pieces because it looks like a lot in person.
Put in the comments how long you think it's going to take us. Like how many nights, how many hours.
In the future, we should buy 2 of the same puzzle and we'll just race each other.
Well, I don't want to embarrass you. This is what we do on Saturday nights, guys, off grid.
Yeah.
We aren't fancy.
Thanks for hanging out with us for a few minutes. We'll see you tomorrow to finish the real project.
This is going to be hard, guys, because it's like woodsy. You can't just film me the whole time. You gotta help.
Do I have to go outside or can you just do all the outside stuff from now on?
I'm done.
You're not gonna go snowblow the 1 mile of road in and out of here?
No. Well. day 2, clearing snow. That's all we're gonna give you now for the rest of the winter.
Yep.
Clearing snow videos. Sure is pretty, guys, but there's so much snow.
All right, guys, I started the generator a couple hours ago. Came down here half hour ago. It's started up, so a good day of running. It's probably good for the tractor. I had to adjust my upper arm here. It was too short and it was keeping the back of the V plow up too high. So I had like a dome over the whole road. So now it'll sit nice and flush on the ground. So maybe I'll be able to get a little bit closer to the ground. So we got another 4 to 6 inches last night. As you can see on the Explorer back there. So
it's like well over 24 inches, guys. That was what we had yesterday morning, and it's been snowing nonstop.
So we're gonna hit the road again. This is like it's a 2-hour drive back and forth. So like an hour each way. And it's kind of sketchy, but it works good. As long as I don't get stuck. Like I got stuck 3 times yesterday.
What?
Now I got Jenny stuck. I didn't get Jason stuck. I didn't need to get towed out, which I don't even know if I'd be able to get towed out with this big tractor. So that's, like I said, that's why it's sketchy. So anyway, guys, let's get rolling. I'm already cold. I've been outside for 2 hours. So I get this done so we can do something else today.
Sounds good.
Alright guys, dead in the water. No snow blowing today. I just lifted the lift loader on the front to get it off the ground, and this hose popped right here. So let's take, I guess I know what I'm doing today. That oil looks pretty gross. So now I'm going to have air in my lines. Maybe I can get the hose off replaced, and maybe the loader will still work. Alright, I'm going to go get some tools, I guess, up at camp and see if I get this hydraulic hose off. It's Sunday, so I won't be fixing it today. Really screwed. At least it broke here, I guess. It's only a 2-foot hose, but I don't know how to purge this. Like, I don't know, maybe it'll be okay. Just right here to here. These hoses are in terrible shape. Like, at least it didn't slaughter me with oil. Show a splatter.
It went all the way this way, guys. Look.
Like 8 feet. Imagine if that hit me in the face.
Imagine if I would have been standing on this side. Small favors from God.
Like I said, at least it broke on that side and smacked me in the face.
This is true.
Alright, let's go get some wrenches.
So now Jason's got a job. Always something here, guys. Having old stuff makes stuff affordable, but also, I guess it could break on something new too.
Yeah, people have new stuff break all the time too.
So it's not just because it's old, it's just because that's just what happens. Stuff breaks. Because people have stuff break on new things.
Who's going to be the first person that says I should have bought a new tractor rather than a new toy? Actually, the side-by-side is a huge tool.
Yeah, so. But it's all right. It is what it is.
Should have bought a new tractor, I guess.
It could have still broke him.
Yeah, we could put this on one of them. Yeah. All right, guys.
Jay's gonna be fixing that.
I have no idea even like how that hydraulic system works. So, and I know there's going to be a bunch of air in the lines.
It's going to be pulling up some YouTube videos, and
we got like 30 old hoses on this thing. So, like if I was going to keep it, I would replace them all, but I was trying to get a new tractor. So anyway, let's go up to camp or go up to the cabin and I'll get some wrenches and try to remove that one hose and go from there. That's all I can do.
The snow is pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it all falling. I don't know how well the GoPro picks it all up. It's beautiful. Why'd you break it? Snow too heavy for it?
It's like 50 years old. It's probably 50-year-old hoses too. That's the only one where the rubber isn't like corroded off of it too. So I'm sure that's the start of something.
Oh, maybe it won't be as bad.
Yeah, I mean, it's the hydraulic hose thing isn't bad, I don't think. It's the matter of getting the system primed again. Because once you get air in a hydraulic system, you need to like run it and get the air out. And I have no idea how to do that on a tractor. Like I've bled brakes and I know how they work in general. But when you get air in your lines on stuff, then this doesn't work, or it works crappy. And then the PTO still work, but the rear lift thing won't work because it's all in one system. Luckily, I didn't run it long, so maybe it'll be okay. Maybe I'm overreacting. So let's go get some tools. Guess you guys are getting more nonsense videos instead of, well, I guess they're all nonsense videos in reality. Let's head back to the cabin. I'll drop Jen off so she doesn't have to sit out here and freeze her little tushy off.
I got stuff I can do.
She got lots of stuff to do, so.